Good morning, students. Class 10 General Maths video number 74. Chapter is Circle NCERT book class 10. So theorem 10.2. Circle chapter theorem 10.2. There is written the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So we have considered one circle. We have drawn one circle. Okay, whose name is what? COR. C means circle, O means center, R means radius. Okay, so we can define the circle by its center and radius. So COR be a circle where P and PB, PA and PB, these two are the tangent, a pair of tangents which are drawn from same external point. There is written external point. And from this external point, these two tangents are drawn to two different points of contact. These two are the points of contact where we have drawn both the tangents. So now we have to prove PA equal to PB. These two tangents are equal or not. Okay, that means we have to prove these two tangents equal. We have to prove these two tangents equal. So for that, we are considering or we are drawing what? OP, just joining OP, and we have drawn OA radius and OB radius. So these things are extra. Just for proof, we are drawing these things. So these things you write under construction. So how written, just you see. First of all, it is the introduction part of the diagram, which is already given. That things just you have to write here. So first of all, written COR be a circle and P and PB are two tangents, because there is written about two tangents which are drawn from same external point. So we are considering one external point P, okay, and two tangents which are drawn from this same external point to the circle. That one already given. So mention here. We have drawn two tangents P and PB to the circle from the external point P. Okay. So we need to prove PA equal to PB. So for that, under construction, something we need to take extra. That one is what? OP. We need to join OP, then radius OA and OB. Because tangents are perpendicular with the radius, so by that we will get one 90 degree angle. So for that, if you join OA and OB, then you will get one pair of right angle equal. That's why we have drawn this radius. So to prove these two sides equal, first of all you prove these two right angles are congruent. But before proving congruency, first of all you prove yes, these two are 90 degree, because that one is not written there. You have to prove it, these two angles 90 degree. By theorem what? Tangents are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact. Already I taught in last video that tangents are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact. Since it is the reason purpose, since tangents are perpendicular with the radius at the point of contact of a circle. So angle OAP equal to angle OBP equal to 90 degree. Why? Because PA perpendicular on OA, PB perpendicular on OB as pair of tangents. That means both the tangents are drawn to two different points of contact. So that tangent is perpendicular with the radius. So reason already written, and this one is the statement number 1, because again we have to reuse this statement for proving congruency between these two triangles. So now you see, if these two angles are 90 degree, that means both the triangle are right angle triangles. So if these two angles 90 already proved in statement number 1, so these two triangle now right angle triangle. AOP and BOP are right angle triangle, already proved. These two triangle right angle triangle. Next statement. So by statement number 1 we can write what? We can consider both the right angle triangle. In right angles triangle AOP and triangle BOP, just we are considering both the right angle triangle. That means next statement is what? We need to write 3 minimum statement to prove congruency between these two triangles. So first of all, just we are considering these two triangles. That means next step we are going to write three statements related to these two triangles. So just consider. Okay, then you write down three statements which are true for this pair of triangles. So written OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, that means radius of same circle. OA equal to OB, OA equal to OB, radius of same circle are equal. Then written OP equal to OP, OP is opposite to 90 degree angle or not? OP is opposite to 90 degree angle, so it is the common hypotenuse. So it is the common hypotenuse. Then OAP equal to OBP, because this triangle 90 degree already we have proved this one. See, OAP equal to OBP equal to 90 degree in statement number 1. So again we are using this statement here for proving congruency. Okay, so angle OAP equal to angle OBP, this one we are getting by 1. This one we are getting by 1. So by RHS, right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side, these two triangle congruence. Right angle hypotenuse side, these two triangle congruence. So right angle means what? Because one pair of right angle equal, one pair of hypotenuse equal as a common hypotenuse, then one pair of side equal. So RHS congruency criteria we can use. Nah. So RHS congruency criteria was these two triangle congruence. Then we can write rest corresponding part. Many parts are left there. So rest corresponding part means what? That means these two parts are left. Okay? So these two parts are left. So PA equal to PB. We need to prove that one. Then these two parts are left. These two angle equal or not? This one also left. Okay? Just we are saying about what? Pair of radius, pair of hypotenuse, no, and one pair of right angle. And two pair of angles are left, and then one pair of side are left. So rest corresponding part automatic equal, because both the triangle congruence. So these two angle equal, these two side equal, and maybe there you will get proof that when you draw one pair of tangents from an external point to a circle, they are subtending equal angles at the center. Same thing. Just you prove these two triangle congruence, and finally just you write these two angle equal by CP/CT, corresponding parts of congruence triangle. But now we want what? PA equal to PB, so that's why finally written PA equal to PB by CP/CT, corresponding parts of congruence triangle. So in the place of this, if there is written, prove that when you draw one pair of tangents from and same external point to a circle, that pair of tangents are subtending equal angles at the center. Same to same. After this much you do, then in the place of this, just you write angle AOP equal to angle BOP as proved. Okay, maybe you will get that way also, this theorem. Okay, so now here we need to prove PA equal to PB, so written PA equal to PB, then write CP/CT, corresponding parts of congruence triangle. That's all.